Hi friends, so we're back. It's Mimi with Wake Up Brain, and today is going to be another brain break. We need one of these every once in a while. You got to get those wiggles out. You could be in the class, you could be at home, you could be outside like I am. It's a great day for it. Last few days of great weather before the cold weather starts coming in. It's almost Halloween, and I know those wiggles get more intense with the anticipation of dressing up in costumes and candy. So now's a great time for a brain break. Let's get started. Okay, so our first exercise is going to be dealing with kickboxing. Let's do some uppercuts. I like these. It's kind of like you're punching yourself in the chin, but you're not. And always make sure, sorry, that's a truck going by, that you engage your core, which means you suck in your tummy. Okay, here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, and notice I'm pivoting on my back foot each time I do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do some punches, some jabs. Don't want to hit the dog. Here we go. We're gonna come forward, then we're gonna go back, okay? And then we'll switch forward hands. I'm starting on the right, but you could start left or right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go back. Change legs. 1, 2, 3. Can we do that again? Let's do back and front, the same foot and arm, then we'll switch. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Notice my other arm is still guarding my face. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's do jab cross. I love this. It's great. I hope you're still holding in your core. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. Let's start with the other foot and other arm because we need to be even on both sides. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I want to get some kicks in. We've been doing the punches. Now we need to get those kicks in. Let's try alternating kicks with a punch. Excuse me, Cookie. Excuse me. Thank you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. Now we're going to balance and we're going to kick sideways. If you're in a classroom, make sure you have enough room and that you're not going to kick anyone. Here we go. 1. Now I'm going to stay with the same leg. So let's do one leg, then the other. This is going to take a lot of balance. So definitely suck in that core. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. We're going to do the other foot. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do some curtsy lunges with a side crunch. This is going to take a lot of balance, friends, but it'll be so worth it and it'll get those wiggles out. Here we go. Now a curtsy lunge is when you take one foot and put it diagonally behind the other. Whoops. It's hard to, okay. And then bend down at the same time. So you're going to bend both legs. You're not bending over, you're just bending straight down. Let's get that motion first. 1, 2, nice job. 3. Now we're going to pair it with the side crunch. That's where the balance comes in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you fall over? Good job. If you did, it's okay. First few times, I fell over too. Let's do the other foot, the other side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, whoops, 5. Nice job. Let's do some up and down rapid punches. Okay, here we go. We're going to squat while we're doing this. Here we go. We'll do it slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You hear my bracelets going back and forth. Okay, let's put it together. Here we go. Can you do faster? Come on. Nice job. Whew, I'm getting out of breath. Are you getting out of breath? That's good. That means the heart rate is rising. It means we're getting that cardio in. We're getting in that fresh oxygen and getting rid of all the bad stuff. It's great to get the heart rate going so that way, it's great for your blood pressure and for your cholesterol and for all those things that you need to be healthy. Blood flow, everything. So here we go. We're going to do one more exercise. What should it be? We've already done a little bit of abs. We've definitely done legs. We've done some arms. What could we do? I know. Now we've done crossbody punches before, which is great. Let's do crossbody but up, kind of like we're reaching for the sky. And I like to do this with a slight squat in between. 1, 2. Now really reach so you feel it pull. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, I fibbed. I'm going to do one more exercise because I feel I need to do this one. Let's see. We're going to do like a seesaw. I'm going to show it to you from the side, okay? We're going to go down, and as we go down, we're going to touch both our fingertips to the floor. We're only going to be on one foot. The other foot is going to go up behind us to balance us. Then we're going to come back up and do a knee strike, okay? Here we go. Ready? 1, boom. Oh, that's hard. Let's do it again. 2, 3. Oops. All right. I'm going to try this again. This time, because it does set you a little off balance, we're going to toe touch in between. Here we go. 1, toe touch, knee strike. Good. 2, toe touch, knee strike. Great. 3, toe touch, knee strike. 4, toe touch, knee strike. Let's get one more. 5, toe touch, knee strike. Let's do the other side because we want to be even. Here we go. 1, toe touch, knee strike. Got it? 2, toe touch, knee strike. 3, toe touch, knee strike. 4, toe touch, knee strike. And one more. 5, toe touch, knee strike. How did you do? I don't know about you, but I am out of breath. And I think this is a great activity for any time of day. It gets the blood flowing, gets you out of breath, and it's just that little something to get you refocused for your next activity. Well, join us back on another day of at Kid Stories and More. Wake Up Brain, challenges, read alouds, we've got it all here. I feel like a math lesson is coming up with a little bit of Halloween flavor. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.